14, spare. Mamalang sa misilinya. Mamalang sa misilinya. Lagi bola, sir. Stop first shot. First shot. Ang picture ba? Picture ba? Okay, verse 5. Verse 5 so to the back. And then Bergulyo. Verse 5, verse 5. Picture sa. Lord. Tayong Arios, Pintas, Bracelet, Sincere, picture sa picture. Okay, welcome to the championship game. Battle between San Fernando versus Carcar. Well, position against Carcar. Lumusot, 2 points from the galing kay Utso. Untilaya. Ang bola ng jersey number 20. Sabagala to go. 15 to shoot. Go tries to attack. Cross pass sa labas. Number 11 bars for 3. Bam! 3 points. Para kay numero 11. Amalia. Para wala. Against number 7. Number 27. Number 10. 12 to shoot. And number 4. Super points by number 10. Inbound number 18. Number 20. Number 20 controls the ball. Kita pasahan. Okay. Tries to attack 100, but over the rebound number 27 to number 13. Number 13 controls the ball. Number 13 dribbling the ball. Abad controls the ball. Tomera for 3. 3 points para kay Abad. Of Team Carcar, nakawala. It is number 11 to number 20. Number 28, Sabagala controls the ball. Sabagala pinasa sa gitna. Number 18 to number 11. Bars for 3. 3 points para sa San Fernando. Which is number 11, long pass. Oh my God, 2 points. Otilla, 2 points. Go, controls the ball, Iloilo. With the bonus to boss. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 11, the jersey number 24, 2 points. Number 14, Marlene Sarot. Abad, giving the ball behind the back. Cross, pinasan ng Tangkay. That saves the ball at Tangkay. Pinagkapasan, 12 seconds to shoot. So number 10, natigil pa mabitawan. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 10, natigil ka pinay. Pinasa sa labas. Sa Tangkay, number 27, 5 seconds to shoot. Tomera, and there's the whistle. There's a foul.
Nice shot.
Foul number 11. Amalia, little contact of hands, take the 2 shots. First, personal foul by number 11 of Amalia. First, the team foul. 1 point connect. Against number 27. Noted. Rebound by number 18 to number 20.
Na out 10 og 8 in favor of Limar.
Number 20, giving up late. Mayorga. Number 18. Kasama Gala. 100. Lofter shot. 2 points by number 20. Running score. 10 all. 10 all. Nakamula number 13. Abad. Driven the ball. Taking a play. Tomera. Got the 3. But okay. Taken out. Rebound by number 18 to jersey number 20. Sama Gala. Driven the ball. Intercepted. Still Abad. Long pass to Talakay to jersey number 10. Number 10. Easy basket by number 20. Rebound by Go. To jersey number 20. Number 20 controls the ball. Dribbling the ball. Sama Gala. Taking a play. Pinasa ang jersey number 1. Go. To jersey number 20. Sama Gala controls. Tries to attack. Pinasa number 11. Mamaya. In out. Rebound by number 27 to number 13 to number 48. 2 points. 2 points. Number 11 ang bola to number 18. Number 18 nasa sa ilalim. Number 14 to number rebound by Talakay. Long pass. Number 1 sa Homaya.
14-10 in favor of Limar.
14-10. Buhatang labaw sa team Carcar. Number 11 to number 20. Number 20 controls the ball. Number 20 taking a play. Number 20. 12 to shoot. Number 14, Tomera. Noted. Rebound by number 10, the big man. To jersey number 20. Talakay. Long pass to number 48 to number 27. Walker Max. Take play. 16-10 ang score. 16-10. Nabulay. Number 20 controls. 14 to shoot. Pinasa sa ilalim. Number 11 to number 14. 2 points. Number of Rose. Nabulay ang Abad. Intercepted. Lost ball. Time out. Team San Fernando. Oras na 5 minutes and 37 seconds. Running score 12-16 in favor of the team Carcar. Upat ang labaw. Back to the ball game. 5 minutes and 37 seconds are remaining for the first quarter. Last ball. Inbound, Abad. Inbound by Abad. And jersey number 10 and number 10 and number 48. Abad, Mars, Macoga, the rebound by Go. Number 1, taking the ball, long pass, and number 5, easy basket. Running score, 14-16. Lumanay Labaw sa Carcar. Nanipagpili niya ang bola, Hamotella, Kinabima, intercepted. There's the whistle. Same ball, wala ka doon sa team Carcar. 15 seconds to shoot. Inbound. Hamotella. Number 27. Pass. Saved by number 48. Homotella. 5 for 3. Bang! 3 points para kay Homotella. Of Team Carcar. Running score 19-14. 5 points lead. Number 2 wala. Number 2 thinking of play. 15 seconds to shoot. To number 5. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 5 delivering the ball. Tries to penetrate. Rejected. Jersey number 27. 6 of shot clock. Inbound by number 5 to jersey number 1. Go. 4 to shoot. 2 to shoot. Shot clock violation. Mula sa team Carcar. Oras na mali, 4 minutes and 36 seconds for the first quarter. Abad to Montilla. Montilla taking up the Pinas. Intercepted. Ewan, nagkapigan.
Score 19-14 in favor of Limar.
Rebound. Wala pa si number 10. Tawad. To Montilla. Cross pass. To Sarkayan. Okay. Rebound. Kapigan. Montilla ka kumakak. Wala jersey number 2. Wala jersey number 2. Number 2 to jersey number 5. Number 5. Attack. But only balled up by Go. 2 points by Go. Wala jersey number 13. Montilla. Abad controls. 4 minutes remaining time. For the first quarter, that guy to number 10, the P-Bag pull-up jumper, 2 points. Para kay jersey number 10 of the Barcar. Running score, 21-16. Lima ang labaw sa Barcar. Chan holds the ball, cross pass to number 5. Number 5 to Chan again, 15 seconds to shoot. The ball break, and attack, Martin move, using the gas, in and out. Rebound by Montilla to Takay. Takay then bring the ball, tries to backstop and jump, pero may sabang basket down the mic, kasama pang foul. Basket count, foul by jersey number 3, pushing foul, chain 1. Substitution para sa San Bernardo. Takin. First personal foul by jersey number 3, second team foul para sa San Fernando. Okay, rebound by number 5 to jersey number 2, Chan the with the ball. Chan pinasa ng pilit. Number 33, cross pass to number 5. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 2 to jersey number 33, Tomera. Okay, rebound by Takay. Cross pass sa Abad with the ball. Tomera agad ng 3, okay. Rebound by number 33 sa San Fernando. Pasilan to number 5. Number 5 to Pasilan. And then the same ball. 17 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes and 58 seconds remaining. Leos Jerome, tangan ito. Rebound. Wala jersey number 5. Leo. Pasilan. 11 to shoot. 9 to shoot. Pasilan ni Baki. Itagagaanan. What a nice defense. 4 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 10 and number 20. Takay. Takay na rin the ball. Takay tries to win it right. There's a whistle. Okay. There's a foul. Foul, jersey number 5, illegal use of hand. Substitution. First and personal foul by jersey number 5. Third team foul para sa team San Fernando. Takin. First throw, Takay. 2 minutes and 32 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Second throw. Connect. 1 point. Inbound by number 3 to jersey number 2. Chan controls the ball. Chan dribbling the ball. Pinagkapasan to jersey number 33 to number 3. And there's always a traveling violation committed by jersey number 3 of Team San Fernando. Inbound by Takay to number 9. Number 20 again. Takay to Montilla. Montilla with the ball. Las Reyes, Montilla, 11 to shoot, spin move, Montilla, good, rebound by number 3, intercepted, knockdown 1, number 22, okay, rebound by Chan to win the ball, Chan kusukis Chan, ipapag, Chan attack, pero pinasa, pero wahapin mabigit, number jersey number 5, cross pass number 33, big pass, jersey number 3, intercepted, lost ball, same ball, 12 shot clock, 1 minute, 40 seconds remaining. Substitution. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining for the first quarter. 12 shot clock. Inbound by number 33 to number 2. Chan, number 33 again. 9 to shoot. Comera. 2 points by jersey number 7. Nakakamula ni De Los Reyes. Dribbling the ball. De Los Reyes controls to jersey number 9. meron si Kakay. 3 points by Kakay of Team Karkar. 1 minute and 16 seconds remaining. Running score 27-18. Number 2 dribbling the ball. Cross pass to number 33. Fires for 3. Bang, bang, bang! 3 points. Running back sila ng Team San Bernardo. Dila sa Reyes. Cross pass to Kakay. Kakay dribbling the ball. Speed move. And attack. 2 points again para kay Kakay. Veteran school kay Kakay. 52 seconds remaining time. 50 seconds remaining time. 45 seconds remaining time. 15 to shoot. 40 seconds remaining. Sakit na. Intercepted. Steal. Nasa jersey number 9. To number 1. Single pass. No good. Follow up. No good again. Agawa sa rebound. 27 seconds remaining. Number 5 of bola. Number 5 of Team San Fernando. 22 segundos. Sa right hand layup. 2 points. 20 segundos. No more shot clock. 15 seconds. Cross pass. Number 1. Number 1 tries to attack. And there's a whistle. 10 seconds remaining. There's a foul. Osman, foul jersey number 33. Pushing foul. Take 2. First and personal foul by number 33. Warning for penalty of Team San Fernando. First throw, no good. 10.5 seconds remaining for the first quarter. No more shot clock. Second throw, connect. 8 seconds. 5 seconds, then there is a whistle. What's the hour shot left? 20. Ang dua. 9. Foul jersey number 9. 4.6 seconds remaining. 4.6 seconds remaining. First team foul. 2 seconds. There is a whistle. There is a whistle. There is a foul. Number 1, foul. Pushing foul. Take 3 shots. Take 3 shots. Pero wala may time. Wala may rebound. Take 3 shots. First throw. No good.
Masyada sa taon.
Second throw. Ibabasya ng Firefox alone. Connect. 1 point. Third throw. Connect again. And the first quarter.
Score 30-25 in favor of Limar.
Running score 25-30. Back to the ball game for the second quarter action. Out of possession sa Team San Fernando. Welcome to the second quarter action with the running score 25-30. 5 points in lead coming from Team Karkar. Second drive. Warning.
Hindi yung tapukunan.
Rebound number 11. The jersey number 0, Lanias. Lanias controls the ball. Pinasa lang na. Number 3, the jersey number 11 again. Number 11 holds the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Agawan sa bola. And there's a whistle. Lost ball. Mula sa team car. Rebound.
Iipon. Ay,
Nakakabola sa referee. Ipasa. De Los Reyes, Abad. Abad de Los Reyes. Attack by Sabat. There's a foul. Foul number 11. Illegal contact of hands. Take 2 shots. First, a personal foul by jersey number 11. Okay, ako natira. First team foul para sa Fernando. Layo. Second throw, ready for rebound. Good there. Second throw, 1 point. Nakabola ni Lanias. Lanias dribbling the ball. Lanias controls the ball, taking a play. Pinagkapasahan to number 3 to number 14. Number 14, power move, and there's an attack. There's a whistle. There's a foul. Foul, jersey number 13, Abad. Illegal use of hand side. Shot clock back to 14. First personal foul by Abad. First team foul para sa Car. Bola. Palabis bola. Bola daw. Cross pass. Bola jersey number 7 to number 3. Kai to Lanias to number 14. Pinasalikan using the glass. May tawag pa. Basket count and there's a whistle. There's a foul. One. Jersey number 1. Basket count foul. Jersey number 1. Blackie foul to take 1 shot. Second personal foul by jersey number 1. Second team foul para sa team car. Bonus score. Connect ang bonus score. Ang bola ni De Los Reyes naman ang ball. Nasa nagigilid number 0. Attack! Patawagin! Kapig ang bola. Dayaw Contros to number 7. Pinasa sa ilalim. Alley-oop! Patawagin! Nagawa sa nilang. Ang bola ni number 0 to number 13. Abad. Long pass number 22. Easy basket. Para kay jersey number 22. Team Car. Na bola ni Lanias dribbling the ball. Running score. 33-28. Number 0, Lanias Noguera, no good. Rebound. Lost ball. Wala sa Car. Rebound by number 1. Jersey number 6, De Los Reyes controls the ball. De Los Reyes, on low play. De Los Reyes controls it in. As a play na, bitaw na bola ng jersey number 7. Intercepted by Lanias. Pagpinsan Fernando, 30 sa score. Ang gawan na number 14 ang bola, number 14 to number 3, Kai. Time out. Para sa team Car. Time out para sa team Car. Running score, 33-32. Usa, alay labao para sa team Car. 8 minutes and 6 seconds na namin.
Lagi.
Back to the ball game. 8 minutes and 6 seconds na namin. Usa-usa na rin time out na habiling both teams na pa usa-usa ka time out. Abad, dribbling the ball, dribbling the ball, control sa ball. Abad, cross pass to number 22 in attack! In and out, rebound. Number 22 again. No good na naman, rebound. May tawag. foul. Jersey number 0, illegal contact of hands. Take 2 shots. First personal foul by jersey number 0. Second team foul para sa Team San Fernando. Connect ang first hard point. Second row, ready for rebound. No good. Rebound. Lanias ang bola. Lanias control sa bola. Lanias. Pinagalan. Pinasa ni Kai. Kai numero 3. Sabi na ball. Pinasa sa gilid. Domara. No good. In and out. Rebound number 11. Rejected at the time. Pinasa yung ball. Rejected by number 22. Shot clock 12. Shot clock 12. Inbound. Inbound. Cross pass number 11, time to shoot. Number 11 for cross pass, intercepted Tapikan. Nakuha nito sa Reyes, cross pass. And as a result, yung bola sa team. Sa Luzon, sa Luzon, sa Abrak. Inbound. Nakabola ng jersey number 20 sa number 20, good shot, 2 points. Running score, 34 all. 34 all. Serve up. 100 shot. Okay, agaw sa likod. Number 0, Lidan. Nakilagawasan ni Rodrigo Lito. Number 20, number 14. Number 14, Kosogaro. Number 14, break pass and attack. Rebound number 11. Fighting away. Rebound by number 1 to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes, cross pass sa numero 0, number 22, Mitri Polo Mitira, 2 boys, numero 22, nakamula, Asabagala, number 20, intercepted the field in De Los Reyes, break pass and dribble, number 6, tries to attack, number 6, cross pass to the Abad, Mobesto, Tomera for 3 points para kay Abad. Inbound by number 14, number 11. Nasa Pagala, number 20. Running score, 39-34. Balik sa lima, Abad. Tomera. Okay, inbound by Reyes. De Los Reyes, number 6, control sa ball. Cross pass, number 0, behind the pass. De Los Reyes, super, sana, Pena. Team San Fernando.
Score 41-34 in favor of Lamar.
San Fernando para sa first half. Napay-usahan na out Team Carcar para sa first half. The remaining time, 5 minutes and 59 seconds. The running score, 41-34 in favor of Team Carcar. Back to the ball game. Let's start off. Pasin Campo. Let's start Fernando. So now, only time out sa Fernando para sa first half. Napag-usap na ito after card. Magandang bola ang kawaite. Cross pass sa Pasilan. Pasilan rin na uno. Po. Cross on the ball. Po. 12 to shoot. Intercepted the silver. Abad. Close the ball. So this is number 10. Abad again. Abad to close. Pinasa nito pa rin diretso. Continue. Walang hit. 14 to shoot. Pinasa na yan. Number 10. Di ko naman may sabi na ay. There's a foul. Foul. Jersey number 18. Illegal contact of hands. And 2 shots. First personal foul by number 18. Third team foul para sa Team San Fernando. Wala tira, no good. Second ball, improving out. Connect. 1 point. And this is number 33, number 1, go. Keeping the ball. Running score, 42-34. Number 33, 14 to shoot. Pasilan, kung daw sa pasok ng move. 10 to shoot. Pasilan, trying to penetrate. Nasa the goal. Number 11, wide open the lead. to Gambit. 15 to shoot, Gambit number 27. Almost the ball, cross pass to Antilla. 10 to shoot, Moquestion Comida. Short. Number 20 ang bola. Number 20, there's the 1 goal. 15 to shoot. Go. Get back. Penetrating low mo sa gitna. 2 points para kay Go. Bola. Number 27. 27 mo na. Ito na Lex. Sabay siya. 14 to shoot. Until attack. There's a whistle. There's a foul. It's a foul. Foul jersey number 1. We're going to use the pad, take 2 shots. First is a foul, jersey number 1. Warning for penalty on team San Fernando. Running score 42-39. First throw. Good net, 1 point. Running score 43-39. 4 minutes and 16 seconds in the second ball in for rehab. Running again. Inbound they go. To jersey number 20, Sabagala. Everyone, Sabagala controls the ball. Taking a play. Attacking team to shoot. Number 11. Number 11 playing the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Great pass. To number 2 points for number 18. Pulling about delivering the ball. Running score 44-41. Cross pass. Tatangkay, different Tatangkay over the rest. 3 points. Tatangkay para sa team Marcar. Inbound number 33. Sabagala number 20. 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Rejected and denied by jersey number 48. Antilla. 18 shot up. Inbound they go. Inbound they go. Jersey number 18. Number 18. Post ball. Pinasa. Sabagala 14 to shoot. Sabagala tries to penetrate. Pinasa. Intercepted by Tatangkay. 2-1. Tatangkay tries to Pinasa. Number 27. Easy basket. Running score 49-41 in favor of team Marcar. 8 points lead. Number 33 goes close to the ball. Number 33 tries to penetrate. 12 to shoot. 12 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Go. Number 18 number 9. Number 27 number 13. Abang terpilih the ball. Pinasa labas. Tatangkay. Tries to penetrate slow. May sabit. There's a foul. Foul, jersey number 20. They're going to use some hand, take 2 shots. Take 2 shots. First above, number 20. Penalty situation outside Fernando. First throw, 1 point. To net. Second throw, Tatangkay. On the political lane, over to rebound. Okay, rebound and goal. Running score 50-41. With 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Sa pilit ko na. Okay. Rebound by number 48. Antilla Toman. Abad to the ball. Abad to cross the ball. Tingin ang play. Abad. Pumiso na kailangan. 3 point. Ang piling asas si Abad. Number 11. Number 11 controls the ball. Mamaya. Controls the ball. Taking a play. Pinasa ng goal. Go stop and jump. 2 points using their glass. Inbound. Nagagawa ni Tatangkay. Tatangkay taking the ball. 1 minute and 52 seconds remaining. Tatangkay holds the ball. With the ball. Pinasa ng team. Number 10. Attack! 2 points for number 10. Team Marcar. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining. And Sabagala bola. Sabagala dribbling the ball. Pinasa ng gilid number 33. Cars but okay. Rebound sa team number 10. Long pass to Tatangkay. Tatangkay 100. 2 points again. Number 23. Running score 56-43. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. Number 18 using the last 2 points. Inbound. Number 27. Number 27 dribbling the ball. Number 27 cross pass. Abad. Floater shot. Abad. 2 points. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. Running score 58-45. Nasa bangal na ang bola. Sa bangal na tubig ng ball.
Ano ka, Jeff, boy?
Mga hindi ka play. Hindi ka pasahan o pasilan. Pasilan ng mga ng resto mo. Go. Idribol behind the back. Close control the ball. Long pass to Kangkay. Kangkay, showtime. Nawak. 40 seconds remaining. 2 points Kangkay. 35 seconds remaining. Rebound ni Pasilan. Wala na siya kauman. Nawak. Ay, yung post na lahat. Pasilan by 11. 25 seconds remaining. Number 18, Roy. Rebound. Isabel was pass. Number 48, Pampilla. 18 seconds lang natin. Wala na siya clock. Pamela sa naman. 3 points sa Abad. Team Carcar. 8 seconds remaining. Short. Lost ball. 6 seconds. Inbound by number 10. Apos. Number 11, 5 seconds. 2 seconds remaining. 3 points, 3 points.
Yung sinabaw.
Running score 48-63. 48-63 in favor of the opponent sa team Carcar.
Score 63-48 in favor of Laymar.
Press na ulit! Press na!
Shot up, goal, lampas, ikot, natumos, tutuloy bayan, batos ng Losji. Kalau si Papa, nagutago, nagutago mo rin. Kaya si Karen mo, ayun, nakikita. Back to the ball game for the third quarter action. Third quarter action out of position para sa Team Carcar. Welcome to the third quarter. Running score 63-48. 63-48. Third quarter. Mula sa Carcar.
Marami ito. Sorry.
Nakakulang ng Ian. Pompilla. To Abad. Pompilla again. Right the back. To the two legs. To the lane. To Abad again. Abad. Fires for 3. In and out. Rebound number 10. Easy basket. Sakuragi. Number 2. Chan. Ripping the ball at the time. Will cross the ball. Tries to penetrate. Chan. Stop on the jump. No good. Rebound by Sakuragi. To Abad. Long pass. Number 10, and Mario Picaras for again. Kangkay. Running score 67-48. Number 5, Kuchan. Kagita. Nasa Chan. Nasa the game. Intercepted the steal. Number 9, Kangkay. Long pass to number 48, Pampilla. Easy basket at the line. Number 7, number 5 was fast to Chan. Number 2, into the ball. Number 2, number 3, right? Kaya attack. Number 7. Yeah. Kaya long pass again. Intercepted the steal by number 5. Number 5 into the ball. Number 5 across the ball. Number 5. Pinasa time. Omestoto. Number 3. 3 points by time. Well, the team's at Fernando. Rebound by Sakuragi. Kangkay. Kangkay naman kami ng dribble. Kangkay dito the legs. They're in the ball. Cross remove. Dito the legs. Bitawan lang. Kayang Kangkay. Pull the jumper. 2 points para Kangkay. Inbound by number 14. To jersey number 2. Chan. Chan bring the ball. Chan go close the ball. Running score 71-51. Leader sa Baka. Number 9. The jersey number 48. To number 20. Kangkay. Kangkay. Benny Odea. 2 points sa Ayodea. Idan, number 5, to the ball. Running scores of 53-51. It was a Peter Card. Aurelio. There's number 7 to number 3, Kai, and the shoot, number 7, Payoy! In out! Di ba number 14? Follow up shot rejected. Ahora mula yung Delia. Abad. So, number 9, 5 plus 2 points. Rebel. Mula ni Chan. Tango na ball. 75-51 score. 5 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Kai holds the ball, taking the ball, fake, and tapping. After there's no result, traveling violation by Kai. Substitution.
Score 75-51 in favor of Limar.
Inbound, wala. Mistake of Norris. Morales controls the ball. Pinagkapasahan ng Abad, mark for 3. Rebound again para Abad. Ano mo lang Chan to win the ball. Chan controls the ball. Was pass to Kai. Audio, Tomela for 3. No good. Rebound by Los Reyes. Ang wala ng Kai de Los Reyes again. A big pass to Abad. Persico Gomez, Los Reyes, Kai, where in that 3 points are Kai. Running score 81-51. It was Levi Gar. Chan controls the number 14, as the kid, number 5, pull up 2 points to number 5. Ibalik Kai to Abad, long pass to Los Reyes, reverse. 2 points to Los Reyes, Ibalik Chan to Kai to Chan to the ball, Chan to the net, across the ball, Kai to number 7, 2 points number 7, Ibalik Los Reyes. Kai across the ball, Kai intercepted ang pasa. There's a whistle foul, there's number 20, Kai, holding foul. Substitution. First personal foul by Kai. First team foul para sa Mercar. 83-55 ang score. Inbound by number 5 and number 2. Chan to the ball. Chan cross. Ito na pasahan. Ipasa ni Kai. Intercepted na sila. Golares sa right hand layup. 2 points. Easy basket. 2 minutes, 40 seconds remaining for the third quarter. One by Kai and Chan to the ball to number 7. Mangkao to Chan to the ball. Let's go the ball to number 5. Number 22 Los Reyes. Cross pass to Abad from a shot over for 3. No good. Los Reyes by the word. No good. Follow up shot. Isidro Flores. 2 points. Rebound by Kai to Rosimo to Chan. 2 minutes remaining time. Chan nasa ilalim. Number 7, 2 points. Running score 87-57. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining. Number 27, fires number 3. Oh, good. Rebound number 14. Number 14 to number 2. Chan to the ball. Chan to cross the ball. Number 7. To the ball. Di balik. 15 seconds to shoot. There's number 5. Audio. 1:35 na 10 seconds to shoot. Fires for 3. Okay. Up. Fake number 7 intercepted. Los Reyes sa bola. Abad. Persico Abad again. Penetrate. Number 2. Cross the ball. Behind the back. Cross the ball. Runs out. Lucky foul. By jersey number 6. Lucky side. First personal foul by number 6. Second team foul para sa Mercar. Inbound by jersey number 5. 1 minute, 18 seconds remaining. Number 2, Chan goes to number 3. Number 2, right hand layup by Chan. 2 points. Running score 87-59. Nakulang ni Norcito Flores to Los Reyes. Good cross the ball. Number 27 to Los Reyes. Great fight. Binalik number 27, Kamara. 3 points. And there's number 27 of the Card. 90-59 the score. This is the two-time. 45 seconds remaining. 14 shot clock, number 14, that's 11. 10 seconds to shoot, number 5. Oh, yeah, number 7. It's number 5, 2 points. Running score 96-1 at 28 seconds remaining. But putting the ball again, stop and jump for 3, no good. Rebound number 3, wala na shot clock. 20 seconds na lang. Number 5, right-handed, 2 points. 14 seconds na lang, namin 10 seconds remaining. 3 points. 5 seconds remaining. 2 seconds. And the third quarter action. Right score 93-63. Kamay-kamay lang yung kas.
Ay, wala na mga tao. Yata, yun.
Password papers.
Score 93-63 in favor of Limar.
Walis mo na ako? Walis mo mo? Saan ko nabili? Ha? Bakit nagbayad? Inside ka? Bakit nagtikit ka? Ulit ka? Yata.
Let's do it for the fourth and the final quarter action. Shot clock ni John Rex Sandayas. Wala ka San Fernando. Wala San Fernando.
Excessive ko doon. Doon.
Rebound number 11 versus number 11. Number 11 number the ball. Tayo. Tuto. Kapitawan. Same ball. Rebound number 2. Rebound number 2. Cross pass. To Lanyas. So, for 3 10. 3 points. Lanyas. Kapit San Fernando. Kakabulan ng Los Reyes. Sila sa Reyes. Sinabit yung ball. Los Reyes across the ball. Pinasa. Number 27. Sakayan. Number 1, Lapid, no good. Rebound number 18, number 11. Number 11 from across the ball, tries to penetrate, but no good. Rebound number 27, Sakayan. Sakayan to the ball, to place number 9. Alley-oop to the Los Reyes, 2 points to the Los Reyes. Rebound, now ball is number 11. Number 11 to the ball, penetrate, right to the layup, using the last 2 points to number 11.
Wala lang ako.
Number 27, Sakayan. Sakayan tries to attack. Coming down the ball, 27. Number 18 to number 1. Ball to number 0. Lanyas. Coming down the bola. Nakatawan. There's number 0. Cross pass number 9. Sino Flores. Cross pass number 7. Sakayan. Marks for the lead. But no good. Rebound by Lambin. No good again. Rebound by Lambin. 2 balls by Lambin. Number 11. Last score 68-97. Last ball. Saan to siya? Los Reyes sa bola. Los Reyes controls the ball. Los Reyes has the corner. Number 0 stop and jump. Okay, rebound. Kapigan. Now is number 18 of San Fernando. Long pass. Jersey number 11. Dayo. Dayo to number 1 because the 2 legs from over goal. Dayo malising. Gatas. Imakin. Cross pass sa Mamanya. Part for the lead. Rebound. Rebound number 0. Number 0 number 8. Controls the ball. Cross pass to Los Reyes. Stop and jump. Okay. Rebound. Kagawa. Rebound by Lambin. Kagawa again. Lambin. Second runner now. 2 points to Lambin. Rebound. Now ball number 11. Number 11 number the ball. Right Tayo. Tries to penetrate. There's no Wilson. There's a foul. Foul number 9. blocking foul, side. After ito, take 2 shots. Second personal foul, number 9. First team foul para sa Marcar. Walang tira, no good. No good again, rebound, number 22, of De Los Angeles, and De Los Reyes, dribbling the ball. Navarro bola, Navarro number 0. Well to shoot. Brazil terceira, Navarro the ball, De Los Reyes, 8 seconds to shoot, Mark for 3. Bang, 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 3 points again. Para sa team Marcar. De Los Reyes, wala na
Score ba?
Number 1. Last 3 minutes, the last 3 minutes. Plus 1.
Volleyball, manunod.
Score 102-66 in favor of Limar.
Ay, labos ko, Tep.
Ah,
Ang Jess. Pero di lang ka, Tep.
Bola, here's number 0, the ball, behind the back. Number 0, good punch. Rebound, bola na nilagaw. Long pass, intercepted, lost ball. Rebound, balik mo. Polanes, Polayaw. 15 to shoot. Goal, Romero for 2 points. Rebound, out of De Los Reyes, De Los Reyes controls the ball. De Los Reyes, between the 2 legs. De Los Reyes marks for 3 points. De Los Reyes. One minute and 10 seconds remaining. Goal was the one.
topic in Karpuksan.
Last one. And the ball game, final score 107-70. Team Marcar.
Final score 107-70.